Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to trade options in Thinkorswim. Open Thinkorswim and log into your paper or live account before you begin trading. Start by locating the Trade tab and the option chain so you can view expirations and strikes. Make sure your chart is set to the time frame you use and add a volatility study. Practice simple single-leg orders first to build confidence. In this video, I will explain how to trade options in Thinkorswim. Begin by choosing your strategy and selecting expiration and strike prices that match your outlook. Use limit orders to control entry price and avoid unexpected fills. Double-check contracts and order size to make sure they match your risk plan, and preview the order to confirm fees and buying power impact before sending it live. In this video, I will explain how to trade options in Thinkorswim. Keep an eye on Greeks to monitor directional exposure and time decay so you can decide whether to hold or adjust. Use the rolling feature to move strikes or expirations when needed, and consider closing portions to lock partial profits. Set alerts and conditional orders to automate exits, helping you stick to your plan without staring at the screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.